How to attach the arms. We have 4 marked stitches on each hand. Make 3 single crochet to reach the placement of the hand. Insert the hook from the inside to the outside of the first marked stitch on the hand. Insert the hook from the outside to the inside of the body. Yarn over, pull up a loop through the body and the arm. Yarn over and finish single crochet. Move the stitch marker to the finished stitch, to the new one. Make next 3 stitches through the arm and body. Move last stitch marker to the new stitch. Make 9 single crochet around the body. Now you can remove central 2 stitch markers. We will not need them. We only leave the ones on the sides which we moved to the new stitches. Attach the second arm the same way as the first one. Make 4 single crochet through the arm and the body stitches. Move the first and last stitch markers to the new stitches. Remove the central 2 stitch markers. So insert hook from inside on the arm and from the outside of the body to make single crochet which attach the arms to the body. Now make 6 single crochet to finish the round. Next round. Make 3 single crochet. Insert hook in the stitch where the stitch marker is. Yarn over, you can remove the stitch marker. Insert hook in the first downward stitch on the hand. Yarn over and finish single crochet. Make 6 single crochet around the arm to reach the last stitch on the arm. Insert the hook in this stitch, yarn over, insert the hook in the stitch where the stitch marker is, yarn over and finish the single crochet. Now make single crochet to the other arm around the body. Repeat the same process on the other hand. Insert the hook in the marked stitch, yarn over, insert hook in the first stitch on the hand, yarn over and finish single crochet. Make single crochet around the hand, insert hook in the last unworked stitch on the hand, pull up a loop, insert hook in the marked stitch on the body, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through all loops on your hook. Remove stitch marker. Single crochet until the end of this round.